This is my favorite command, guys. WMIC, that is used to identify most of the system information about the system, guys. Now WMIC, let me, yes, WMIC, it is showing so much of information like operating system, temperature, everything, system driver, sys account. Now is there anything I wanted to know about, like BIOS information or logon information? This is the only command which can give you like lots of information using this, like BIOS information, CD-ROM information, computer system information. I don't want to make separate commands, guys. Let's like, if you are system admin, if you want to gather everything about a particular system, then you don't have to remember all the other command like system info and all the information can be extracted from here. For example, CPU, BIOS information, disk drives information, and disk quotas. You know that, like how many the group, like job schedule task, provide access to the job schedule. You don't need remember SCH task command. Logon sessions, memory cache management, network login information, net logon, net use, okay, network interface card, operating system, printer information, printer configuration, okay, information, process list. One command, you don't have to remember all those, like, but those are important, those are also important, guys, as a day-to-day task. But if you are writing any automation script, so these are more than enough to know, guys. Now we need to put WMIC beside to all, and now I'll write a batch file, an easy batch file, so that I want to push all the output in a particular file, right? For that, greater than output dot txt, output 1 to whatever. Yes, I covered about all these commands in my previous lessons, guys, like what is the use of double greater than symbol, icon, brackets. You need to save as here all, otherwise it will be still text file only. Yes. Now hi.bat is created. Let me delete this previously created file. Okay. Output 2. Now I want to format so that it becomes like neat. No. Yes, now it has written information about this. Since I have written into a particular file, it is not showing up properly, but you can see all the network interface card details are shown here. The running processes list, operating system name, process IDs, a process ID, process name, operating system, the process path, where exactly it is, Chrome driver, port numbers, our hello.bat file has also written to the notepad, right? This is something like extreme level of malware analysis approach, guys. So to know that one step, like easily without using any third party tools, You can run one by one to know more about it, guys, but this is very interesting command and important command for automation task. You can also get the list of softwares installed on your machines too. I used it for many automation purposes. Let's say if you're a system admin, a task is given to you to identify what all the softwares installed on all the systems. Then you don't have to go to control panel, GUI, waste time, or else go to program files folder to see what all the softwares are installed in the machine. You can simply create a batch file, and you don't have to even to visit all the systems. I'll be showing you that in the later sessions. Just simple double click it, everything within just 5 minutes. If there are 100 computers, in all the computers this script will be automatically executed, and the output is created in one file in your machine itself. So within 5 minutes your job is done. That's very important. About whatever the things you can do manually, everything can be done using the, except like cursor position and all, like most of the information can be retrieved. Like if you want to know any information, that's it. Yeah. And using filters options like pipeline, which I told you earlier, you can filter what you want to take out from a particular output too. Yes, guys. So this is about WMIC, very important for the system admin, security admin, to develop the automation scripts.